everyone. Hello YouTube. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to another day, right? Welcome to the channel. This is Naked Trade X, and we analyze everything regarding Forex trading and to test this new approach of price action that we've been doing for almost two months now, and that's it. We are excited to trade today. Regarding the news, we have a lot of news in the market today, so please be careful. Remember, it's also December, and December is a quite complicated month. It's the end of the year, so they have a lot of news. They have a lot of market manipulation regarding that. There's not much volume as well because people are on holidays. So let's see, if you're gonna trade, if you're gonna follow your plan, just please be careful, and then don't rush anything. If you don't see the setups, please just stay away of the market, and that will be a better way to save your money. So taking that into consideration, then let's jump. Let me see first of all if everything is correct now. So please, if you like the analysis, I had to say, remember that it is important for the channel. Please give a like and subscribe if you're new. Then giving this support to the channel, it makes me be here every day as well, so thank you anyway in advance. So now let's jump. Before we go into the analysis and the news, I want to just show the trade we took on Monday. As you can see here, there was a trade we took on Monday. It was actually a loss. We put it as a loss, but I want to say that it was an early kind of thing. It was an early entrance. Sorry. As you can see, I took the trade actually after that, but it was offline, and off the stream. And then look at what it did. Look what the price did here. I managed to recoup this session, but look at this move. This was a candle movement as well, because news movement, just in kind of like 45 minutes, we pushed 101 pips. That's crazy, huh? So what I want to say is, like, even though the market sometimes don't give you that push that you need, you just need to be patient, wait for your other entrance, and let your strategy play out. Right? So just want to say that. Then let's jump right into the analysis of what we have today. What do we see regarding the news? So first of all, we have a huge calendar for today, right? Economics is going be pushing the market either up or down, because today we have in exactly 1 hour and 17 minutes we have the news regarding the GDP for London, the London Central most probably. And as you can see, the industrial production, we also have news about that. Manufacturing production is also listed here, but what we have to pay attention is about this news of the GDP in for the GBP currency. That would be a huge catalyst. If it's lower, then we might see the price going into the downside. Then if we see a slightly move above what they predict to do with the GDP, then we obviously gonna see a bullish momentum. But for me, I will try to if I see the setup and it is too close to the market open on London and this news, then I most probably won't be in this kind of like doing the market at that time, because I know it's gonna be tricky to trade, so I better stay out of it. Then after the news, then that might be a better way to trade, in order to be safe. But that is probably all the news that we have. Then up to London, then we have more news about mortgage that also affect the market in a way, but not for GBP, maybe for GU. But as you can see, that's what we have for news related. 1 hour, we're gonna see if you have a setup before that, perfect. If not, then we just have to wait. Then I would like to start the analysis by obviously going to the daily. We're going to the top down, right? We're gonna see that. Give me a moment, please. What's happening here? There we go. So what we're seeing today in the daily is like yesterday we closed bearish. The previous day was bullish, of course, beat push after this enormous dump that we have there. But yesterday, we managed to close all the candles bullish. But today, as you can see here, we are making the resistance. This is the daily, still respected the area. Then we have the 4 hour, this for support now. So where's my daily support? We're gonna put it back here. There you go. New daily support. That was yesterday, right? Still, that's what you can see. We still bearish. But we have rejection, right? We have rejection to the 4 hour resistance, and the market, what it can do is still, this is a lot of room to go up, but we have to wait. For now, we're just gonna continue with our bias, which is bearish for the day. Now we see the 4 hour candle, what it's telling us. So it's still the same. So for the day, I think we're gonna be bearish all the time. We have the 4 hour rejection, this nasty range that we have now. We make a bearish momentum, and now we are consolidating in this area, and during between the 4 hour system the previous day and near to the 4 hours support that was yesterday. Take this out, there's no sense here. There you go. So here we have the daily support that we marked yesterday. That was yesterday, and we managed to pass it, but we reverse, and then we're trying to make bullish candles. So maybe in the 1 hour, 4 or 15 minutes, we were able to see some bullish momentum there, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna reverse. All like, for us to be safe, we need to break the second structure. That should be this black line here. Above that, yeah, might be a good opportunity to buy, but since we're bearish for the day, we might look for trades to the downside. That's our session. Yeah, our session is still in a range, right? We are mixed. It could be up and down. The general idea is to go down, but this could be it, right? This all weeks here, that it means that we reject the area on the 4-hour resistance and we're trying to push all the way back again. So we're gonna wait until we get out of the range for sure. So the 1 hour, I see, is the range. So if we pass this first structure, then we have the second structure, then it makes sense to go for buys all the way up here. But since it's December, we don't have that much volume, so we need to be sure, and we need to see candles leaving this area. How much is it? It's 30 pips, so yeah, that's tradable for sure. But we need to see bullish momentum, right? So in order to be selling, obviously we need to pass the 500 like we did yesterday. Then after that, obviously that would be tricky to trade here. That most probably will be, if we break the 4-hour resistance, then that's a clean area to trade. Or below 252, that will be a good area to trade. If we go into the sell, that will be making sense, right? If we want to trade the range, because the range is, it's not as big as I expected, but 48 pips. If you want to trade that, please just be careful. Try to use your plan accordingly, and then obviously don't trade in the middle. Try to do it at the top, then the sell, and then if you're down, try to buy, of course, but buy the bottom or sell the top. Anything less than that, it makes no sense. Or just wait. Just gonna wait for me at least. I'm just gonna wait for market open, maybe in London, and then we're gonna go up. Try to get the push. This is an area that we need to watch here as well, because price has made a rejection and before that was what time? At 9. Yeah. So today I made a rejection there, find a zone that is difficult to pass, and then went down, respecting this movement. But yeah, that's it for all. We're going to the 30 minutes. Still the same. We are still in the range. I see it. This is what I've been telling you. If you're gonna sell the trend, the range market, you should do it like this: deep rejection at the top of the resistance, then a pullback, and then down. That's the movement, right? All the way down. That will be a perfect scenario. Or if you do find something like this, like going down, big rejection, big candles, then big candles here, you go put your trade here, put your entrance, then all the way up. That's the only thing that might make sense. After that, there's no point, because you don't want to be in the middle of this whole range. And for the 15 minutes, there's nothing we can do here until we pass this 940, 948, I would say 950, because we need to put it, if you put it accurately, it will be something like that. There you go. 68, but not even, right? This is the watch zone. As you can see, if we were to take a buy, which I do not recommend because we are bearish for the day, unless it's on this kind of setups. I try to get to the bar, to the top of the range here in the daily resistance. Then I will only take it if we pass. If something leave this area and then give me some continuation, yes, for sure I will try to take the trade. But since we are bearish for the day, what it makes sense is to be trading after this all bullish movement. Then if we start seeing some continuation to the downside after we break the range. So that's it, guys. If you enjoy, if you like the analysis, please again give us a like, give us your comments. We'll try to answer all your questions as well. If you would like to share your ideas, because this is this is only my idea of the market, but obviously I want to make a good community and trade, not be trading by myself. I would like to trade as a group. So yeah, for sure, if it's that your idea as well, please join. You're more than welcome. Then I'm gonna check out gold. What is gold doing? Not much, actually. Yeah, we dumped gold yesterday. We are now ranging as well. December is difficult, like we said. December is a difficult month. You need to be careful, save your capital, not be hasty. But what do we see here is drawings. Let's go to 1 hour daily. Sorry. There we go. Wow, that's a huge retracement from the top. We managed last month. We were able to reach the highest, the all-time high, right, for gold, and only in 15 days. We push all the way back, even further, to the position that we were on November. So for gold, yeah, we're still quite bearish. We're bearish in the daily. We bearish for the 4 hour, even for the 1 hour. So yeah, if you want to trade the gold, better do it. We have a good support here that we can obviously create. This is the range. After here, if we want to counter trade going to the upside, that will be up here. Obviously this is a zone that we have to respect as well, because this is a major support. That been passed, yeah, so many times, so we can take it out. So let's make this clean. So we have reached support almost 3 times, but as you can see, we are losing the bearish momentum, seems to. But if we pass, first of all, in the 15 minutes, let's see. Yeah, if we see something leaving the 1988, maybe you can expect the second will be that. Yeah, you can expect a push, but as you can see, there's a big rejection, so the amount of pips that you have from here, there's not much space. Yeah, 791. So I don't know, maybe if you risk a lot, it makes sense, but why would you do that exactly, huh? So most probably just wait out of the range. But for me, sales, it's what makes sense. If we manage to break down this 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? We have it in the 30 minutes as well. Exactly. So if we manage to break this support here, then if the candle manages to stay out of the range, then sales make total sense. And GU, GU is basically making, we are in a range as well. So for the 1 hour and daily we have, daily yesterday we managed to be bullish. What about, no, look at this, huge rejection, huge, right? Look at this candle. So we need to consider that even though we close bullish, we have a huge rejection, and all for the week all we see here is bearish candles, so we're printing bearish all the time. So I would say for the daily I will put it as a bearish. So 4 hour making support here. Still struggling, right? This is a big range and undecisive. So we have, look at this, candles all the way up, then all the way down as well, trying to grab liquidity, but actually not knowing where the price is gonna go. This is so difficult to trade. So we're still respecting, say, no. So the resistance will be here. This is a zone, quite interesting, but the clean candle only come this way. If you're gonna go up, it should be all the way here, but do you really want to trade 28 pip after moving 53? That's the thing to discuss. Then since we mix, but mostly for the downside, so sales will make sense down here, right? These are your clean candles. We have this rejection. If it's a bearish candle that managed to stay in here and give us a structure, then we might see some continuation to the downside. which is 61 pip, more than enough, right? Better than have to wait 50 something pips and then only get 28 more or 21. So yeah, that's it for today. We're just gonna wait, I think, to see what the market wants to do. So for the GG, we're trying to we tend to break the 4-hour support. Let's see here, if we manage to pass that, let's see how many you have a watch zone here as well. So that's why it's so difficult to trade, because so you have 7 pips, and then you have to be waiting for candle closure. If you want to be risky, so you put 4 pips stop loss to get 7 in your watch zone, then hopefully 17 to the top of the range. But this is a 10 pips drawdown, not that bad, but taking into consideration that this is a watch zone only for 7 pips. Yeah, if you want to trade that, you have to be quick. Not after, if you see any candles on the lower time frame making a rejection to this zone, just close the trade or put it in break even, because it might probably as well go down, right? Remember, the bias for today is still bearish, yeah, as you can see. Yeah, bearish bias, even though we closed bullish yesterday. Even though, no, yeah, bearish in daily, and this is the top, this is the high of the day, and we are rejecting it right now. We make a bottom as well, so that's the range, right, for the 4 hour. 4 hours, there you go. This is our range, even a little bit more, but we have 4 hour support. And then I'm not gonna mark it because this is 4 hour. It was before, but now this 4 hour system. December is a lows, right? It's a low, really low month. Not much volume, everything's struggling, a lot of news. here we go. I think we're gonna break the 4-hour resistance. There you go. Let's see if we can manage to stay above that. See how many times this candle this candle have fake out here, and here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 reactions basically, and this is the 7th. So let's see if this is gonna be our counter trend. So yeah, no bottom week, no top week either. That's what happened. Yeah, that's it. If you were to take the trade, you should have done it in here after the break. So you had to play then put a stop loss at the low and wait for the wash zone. Obviously the target is not gonna be that way. The target is at the top of the range. So this is your watch zone to break even, right? Are you already seeing the reaction? This is where all the candles have reaction. 1 2 3. Most probably, yeah, not strong enough. It's gonna be a fake out. So we wait and see. Remember, we're not in the trade. We're just simulating how this scenario will play out, or could play out. But like I said, it was risky, right? But since we are not in the trade, so we can do it to see if we are correct or not. So we mark the watch zone. That makes sense. We take the trade after the breakout. So also making sense. We wait for that continuation. Now the problem is, like, how many times can you do this, right? Because it's risky trades. Yeah, you can take it if you have a good month, if you for example, if it's not this kind of month like December, there is no volume or there is no like many catalysts like news and things like that, and December has been the last month of the year, it's also a low volume month, so very difficult to trade. So because normally this trade scenario with the volume that is coming at the previous hour of the London session easily would hit TP, or like would have some sort of better structure, right? Better scenario, less time, or even less confusion in the market. But anyway, like I said, there's nothing to lose, because if you follow your plan and your plan makes sense for you, by all means, yeah. See, from here, how much do we have? So obviously, if you have good things, which is not draw down, only 5 pips. Yeah. There we go. We have momentum. We pass. Seems to be passing the white zone. If we pass that, yeah, for sure, then you have the trade successfully. It's gonna hit your TP, no problem. 8 more pips. Out of that, that'll be 13 pips, something like that. If you manage to stay above, then 10 pips. You have like 15 pips straight. Perfect. But here we see the reaction already happening. Right in the zone that we mark. We went down at that point, and we see the reaction going up again. And that's what we anticipate, right? If we have a reaction here, like in the lower time frame, you go to 5 minutes. See, no bottom wick. That's a bad sign for me, because it might reverse. But at this point, if I were in this trade, I would already put my stop loss to break even, so I don't lose anything. So if it wants to come back to my entry point, I'm fine. I'm not gonna lose any money. I had 0 drawdown, which is perfect as well for this kind of trade. And if we continue like that, if we have the push until the candle closure, so yeah, that would be the best scenario for the one who took the trade. But remember, we have no bottom wick. It means like it might reverse at any moment if we don't have much volume. If we do, by this time, yeah, we just hit TP and then you successfully win the trade. There we go. On the 15 minute, everything looks perfect though. In the 15 minutes, you have the bottom wick and you pass the zone. So there's no problem there. And then you are risk free, because you put it at this point, you have probably marked it as break even, right? Or put a stop loss at break even. Tricky, huh? So you can see we have a reaction. There we go. Yeah, price action, guys. It's just price action. Now you don't have a bottom wick. You have to create it. And how you create it? By retracing.
YouTube
There you go.
là trải nghiệm xem YouTube không quảng cáo và cho phép xem video không quảng cáo trên ứng dụng YouTube Kids để tụi nhóc có thể nhún nhảy thả ga theo Kids Box. YouTube Premium
now you have made your bottom wick. So what this means is like, if we have pushed from the market, then most probably the TP will be smashed. But if we don't, then this just means like we're gonna retrace and we're going back again to the downside. Okay, we see a nice push. Very good, very good. Go ahead. Smash that TP. Come on. Give the trader some money. As you see, guys, it all depends on your plan. If you follow your rules, if you manage to get your setup, then just wait. It's patient. Pips until now, yeah. But like I said, also guys, if you're in the trade, don't be greedy, right? Smash that TP, even if you want to close a little bit early, that'll be fine as well, because at this point anything can happen. Remember, we don't have a lot of volume in the market, so if you smash your TP, be grateful. So you have here 13 pips. Even though at the top of the range it's only 14, so because we actually don't know if before the news, what the news, right? Remember, we have news today, and before that we don't even know what's gonna happen. If the news managed to push the price higher, then gratefully we win the trade, but it might reverse, like you have a huge dump. There we go. Rejection is always only like 1 pip away. when are the news happening? $30. Yeah? If in 30 minutes, 29 minutes, it doesn't smash your TP, I strongly recommend you to close the trade. If you have profits. If you want to risk it, then by all means wait. Seems like the market stops. Price has no move since last minute. Maybe it's waiting for the news. Now, here we go. Come on, one last push. Now remember, if you don't have a target, yeah, of course I want to trail it all the way up since you have momentum. But if you want to secure, yeah, for sure, that will be the range, the top of the range. But like I said, anything can happen. There you have the rejection. So yeah, going crazy, up and down every tick. Why won't he give us that last push, huh? That's what happened. December low market. So guys, that was it for me. I'm not gonna wait until it breaks out the range, so it might actually do it, and it's just waiting for the news. But yeah, it was a good session though. If you hit the profit, then congratulations. There we go. I think by there we go. Forget about it. We just hit this beautiful trade. If you take it, then congratulations, guys. That makes sense for you. Then you have a beautiful trade that plays out, and I'm so glad that it happened before I decided to go. Then thank you anyway for being here. If you like the trade, if you like the analysis, if you like the way we do things here, so please reserve a seat for tomorrow. We do this every day basically. So until the next one, then I hope you gain a lot, and